Welcome to the Wheel-Trans app tutorial video for Android devices. Let's begin by downloading the Wheel-Trans app from the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and you will be directed to the login screen. You can log in using your Wheel-Trans customer ID or email address. Your password is the same one that you use for the Wheel-Trans self-booking website. If you have never used the self-booking website, the default password is the month and day of your birth. For example, June 21st is 0621. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password, and you will be redirected to a web page in your internet browser to reset your password. You must have your email address on file for this to work. Once you have logged on, you will be taken to the home screen. You can navigate the app by selecting the options listed in the bottom menu. At any time when using this app, select Home and you will be taken back to the home screen. By selecting Trips in the bottom menu, you will be taken to the Trips page, where you can view current trips for the next 7 days or view your past trip history. By selecting Alerts in the bottom menu, you will be taken to the Alerts page, where you can view messages and alerts sent from Wheel-Trans. By selecting Menu in the bottom menu, you will have access to your profile, app settings, useful links, and Wheel-Trans contact information. We will go over these in greater detail later in the video. Let's book a trip using the Wheel-Trans app. It is important to note that the Wheel-Trans app allows you to book occasional trips only for the next 7 days. Select Where To from the home screen for a list of your favorites and recent addresses. To remove an address from your favorites list, select the menu 3 dots, then select Remove from Favorites. To add an address to your favorites list, select the menu 3 dots, then select Add this destination to favorites. Select Where To and type in or scroll and select the address or name of the location you wish to travel to. Select your desired location or destination. Select Where From and type in or scroll and select the address or name of the location you wish to travel from. Select your desired origin. After entering the To and From information, the Book a Trip screen will be displayed. You can now select a one-way trip, a round trip, or a multi-trip. For this example, we will be using a one-way trip. Select Next to proceed. You can schedule your trip by departure or arrival time. In this example, we will book our trip by arrival time. Select Depart At if you require a departure time. Select the Arrival box to set the date and time of your trip request. Scroll to the appropriate date and time. Please make sure to select AM or PM before continuing. 12 a.m. is midnight and 12 p.m. is noon. When ready, select OK. Select the back arrow to return to the previous screen at any time. If you are traveling with a companion or a support person, select the Additional Passengers box. Select the plus sign to add your companion or support person. The child option is available if set up on your profile. Select OK to continue the booking. Select the Contact Phone Number box to change the contact number if it is different for this particular trip. Your default assistive devices will be listed here. Select this box to add or change any assistive devices. Select the device that you will be using. If you want to use any other device that is not on your list, you must contact Wheel-Trans. If your companion or support person uses an assistive device, select Passengers, and a screen will open so that you can select the appropriate device. Select OK to continue the booking. If you are booking a round trip or a multi-trip, you will repeat all of the previous steps. Select Next to continue the booking. Select Option to search for a family of services or a door-to-door trip. Review all the information and trip details, and if correct, select Submit Request at the bottom of the page. This screen will provide the results of your requested trip as either successfully scheduled or submitted to be scheduled. Select Home to go to the home screen. If after selecting Next, an alternate time option screen is displayed, a solution for the trip you have submitted is not currently available for the time you requested. You can either select Accept the alternate time or select Keep the initial requested time. If you select Keep the initial requested time, the trip will be placed in progress to be scheduled. Vehicle type and status is displayed approximately 10 minutes before pickup time on the home page. Selecting this box will open a map view of your location and the vehicle. The Where is My Ride feature will display approximately 10 minutes before your trip time. Please note that the vehicle type is subject to change. Let's use the Wheel-Trans app to modify or cancel a trip. To modify a booked trip, go to the Trips page and select the trip you wish to modify. Select the three dots in the upper right corner of the page and select Modify Trip. Make the desired changes to your trip. Once all of the changes have been completed, select Next. Select Submit Request, and you will receive a confirmation that your trip has been successfully modified. To cancel a trip, go to the Trips page and select Current. Choose the trip you wish to cancel. The trip details will open in a new screen. Select the three dots in the upper right corner of the page and select Cancel Trip. A screen will be displayed asking you to verify that you wish to cancel your trip. Select Yes, and the trip will be canceled. Let's review changing the settings and how to log out of the Wheel-Trans app. To access the settings, select Menu. Select your name to view your personal profile. All your profile information that is displayed is read-only, and you must contact Wheel-Trans to make any changes. Select Settings to view your settings and customize your app. Select Notifications to view and change your notification settings. Select Customer Alert Notification Preferences for no-shows, trip reconfirmations, service disruptions, and rescheduled trips. Select the preferred method of communication. Important: in order to receive notifications and alerts, you must be logged into the app at all times. Select Call Ahead Notification Preferences for vehicles arriving within 10 minutes. Select Trip Reminder to receive a trip reminder the evening before your trip with your estimated pickup time and all other trip details. Select Agency Messages Notification Preferences for messages sent directly from Wheel-Trans staff. Select Useful Links to view a list of links to a variety of TTC websites. To contact Wheel-Trans, select Contact Us. Select this link to email Wheel-Trans customer service. Select this link to phone Wheel-Trans customer service. To log out of the Wheel-Trans app, select Menu, then select your name. Select the 3 dots in the top right. Then select Log Out. Select OK to log out. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact Wheel-Trans at wtcs@ttc.ca or 416-393-4111.